Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mossbeau. Like, it's been so long, I know. Just bear with me, it's all for good, you know. How are you and how have you been? Welcome to the month of February, the month of love. Like, this is my first video in February. Yeah. What are you guys getting for Valentine's? As you can see, I'm even like in the Valentine's spirit. Just send my Valentine gifts across, okay? So today I'm going to be sharing with you a PR package that I got from PIXI Beauty. Like, I'm so excited, like I'm so happy. You know what, let me just do an unboxing. I haven't even opened it. I don't even know what is inside. This year I've been installing on so many things because I want to give you new content. I want to do new things. I just don't want to do the regular seats, makeup and all of those things. I want to do fun stuff on this channel. That's why I'm like taking a back seat and thinking of the things, you know, to do. So I'm going to be coming with a bang with makeup videos, haul videos. I really want to do a lot of hauls this year. That's I'm very sure. So stay tuned for that. And any other thing you want me to do, just put it in the description box below and let me know so I can do it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to please turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any updates from me. Honestly, subscription is free. So let's just get on to our program for the day. And ta-da! This is what I got from them, and this is what it came in, and I'm really so excited to see what is inside. I've heard so much about their product. I just didn't know they were going to even send me some packages. Like, I'm so excited. Also, if you have used any of their products, let me know in the description box below how their products are, because I heard so many good things about their products. I'm not even going to lie, especially their toner. A lot of people have testified to their toner. So in here I have 2 eyeshadows, and this cute brush set. This is so nice, very cute. They are neutral tones, but I love them. These are so pretty. I don't know if you can see them. These are so nice, and they're so pigmented for a drugstore product. Oh my god, can you see them? These palettes, I'm going to play so much with them. Like, the colors are really nice. Like, they're just colors. These are everyday colors that I can rock. Like, I really love this palette. Also, I got some other goodies from Stevi Cosmetics, and they were kind enough to send me like some of their lipsticks and their lashes. So the colors I have are 03, 003, 023 and 021 respectively. A red, a brown like purple. Yeah, this is like deep, this is like purple and like brown. And I really like the formula of these lipsticks, and it's very pigmented. Like, this is really nice. I cannot wait to play with them. I cannot wait to try them. Like, I swatched some of them on my palm, and also they sent 2 of their lashes in HP 25 and HP 02. I cannot wait to use them. They look so fluffy, they look really nice, and I'm sure I'm gonna really like them. And those are the packages I thought to share with you. Please let me know what you want me to do in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share my videos. I hope you're following me on my social media. If you're not, what are you doing? Like, Mossbeau as well on my Instagram, on my Snapchat too is also Mossbeau. Please support your homegirl. I love you, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye. Stay beautiful.